Hi viewers, today we try to see one of the workflow automation software and tools that is nothing but the n8n. So now I am clicking over here, you can see it on my screen and it will redirect to the n8n.io. By providing the necessary details so we can log in onto it. So I am logging onto it. After giving the necessary details, so you will be getting this one. Now create a workflow, you can see it on the screen. So this is called as a workflow, and your first step you can see it on the screen. Now let us go to here and open a node panel. You can see open a node panel. So I am clicking over here. You can see we try to see the any chart trigger. You can see chart trigger. Okay, so now the chart trigger, it has been there, and you want to give any name, you can give it. Okay, now let us test this one, test the chart. Now I will give hi. Okay, so it is no response. Make sure the last executed node output the content to display here. So like that it was giving. So now it has taken the data, and what to do, we need to get the response. So for this one I am clicking over here to get as an AI. So AI agent I am selecting. So this is the chart input. Okay, now if you go to here, you can see there is input will be there. We will see it just a minute. Okay, now we will close this one and we try to we'll make it as in a zoom so that it will be. So this is the chart input. So this is called, and this is AI agent, which will be having the chart model, memory, tool, and the output will be there. So now if you click this one, it will be selecting, and the options it will be giving over here. You can see. So options also it will be there. So connected to the chart trigger node, it is connected, and the prompt is a chart input. Yeah. Now coming on to the here chart model, now I am clicking over here and selecting OpenAI chart model. So this, from the OpenAI account you need to get the key, and I have created. So I am selecting the OpenAI key from the models. You can see from the list you can select whatever. For a demo purpose I am using the GPT-3.5 turbo. Okay, add an options. Okay, where temperature, so top p, see timeout, response format, maximum number of n tokens, frequency, penalty. So sampling temperature you can make it as n less, so that it can give the accurate information. Sampling temperature. Now we have set this OpenAI chart model. Now what we try to do, we try to make the memory. So this memory you can see, you can such simple memory is there. Memory. So it is the session key from the previous node is JSON session ID. So it is taking the session ID, and context window length is 5. I try to make it as an 10. Sometime you try to make it as an 20. So the last 20 conversation message it will try to remember. So this is the over here. Now I am making as an selecting everything, and I am moving on to here. Okay, so now I am saving, and I am making as an open the chart. Okay, now we can test. Open the chart. now you can give it as a hi. So hi, how can you assist you today? So it was selecting. You can see it over here. This tick mark says that this node is activated, and you can see it over here. It is also tick mark, means this AI agent has processed this chart model OpenAI, and it's simple and sample memory also invoked, and after this one, this output it is getting formatted. Now we are coming over here, you can see, and agent required use more options, add options. You can see system message. Okay, here you can write the role, context, any specific information you want to give to here, you can write it. Okay, for that one, you are an helpful assistant in the fields of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and large language models. Role, provide. Okay, I try to make it as an accurate, precise, practical support across these topics. Tone, friendly, supportive, professional. Context, so like this you can give it. Yeah, this one, now it has done. So now I'm going over here and running hi, can I know about ML? Of course, machine learning is a subject of an artificial intelligence that focus on developing algorithms and models that allow computers to learn and make predictions or a decision based on the data. So it has given what is the salary package in India. So it will understand the context. It is so for entry level positions, mid level positions, senior level position, it is handover. So now what I have given here, you can see your helpful assistant in the field of artificial intelligence and providing this information. This is JSON chart input. You can see the previous one, variable JSON will be there. So now I will try to show to you. This is JSON chart input. Yeah, see here you can see, you can drag and drop over here. If you have any problem, prompt will be this is the like that, any from input to output you can give it like this. Yeah, this is the step number 1 we have discussed. In this one chart message we have added, and AI agent will be the model and memory, and the output will be created. Yeah, and here also if the agent is asking about the email and phone number, we try to trigger to any Gmail. So that we try to discuss the rest of the components, how we need to do and do the workflow and automation by using the n8n. So this is the first video I am doing. So if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. In the upcoming videos we try to add the Gmail, so how to send the queries, lead generation. The third one we try to see how to get the chatbot into the website, how we need to get the data from the website. So that information also we try to do, and upcoming we try to do with as in a RAG also. So please stay on in this playlist and in the channel, and do this exercise. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video. Bye.